What's up, Facebook? Jason Brown coming to you here live on this Saturday afternoon here in Portland, Oregon. And if you haven't seen, we're still battling wildfires. Obviously, I'm fairly safe here in my home, but a lot of areas around us, not so much. So that's basically California, all the Northwest, Idaho, and I've even seen Colorado. So keep folks in your prayers. Lots of tragic events happening, and easy to forget when it's not directly affecting you, but it's definitely going on, and a lot of folks are struggling. So if you are catching this video live, if you could let me know you're here, that'd be awesome. If you're catching on the replay, hit me with the hashtag replay. Let me know that you were here. Hopefully you get some value out of this. And so the topic of this video, as I put in the description, is consistency is key. And what exactly does that mean? And I say that because I've had some conversations with people. I've seen a lot of posts. I've over time shared myself plenty of times in regards to consistency and the importance of it, and that it's key. And I agree 100% that it is, and that's why I've talked about it so much. However, in talking to people, consistency, and the answer I get a lot is showing up every day, and that's absolutely right. I agree with that. However, I think there's layers of that, and there's quite a bit more to that. If you show up every day and you do the same thing every day, and you talk to the same 7 to 10 people every day, and you're trying to grow a business, that consistency is not going to help you build the way you want to build. It may be a unique opportunity where that might be beneficial, that might be something that works, but for the most part, in the long run, even I said 7 to 10, that's a low number. Let's say you talk to 12 to 15 people, the same 12 to 15 people every single day. That's not the consistency that you're really looking for. Hey, Chantel, appreciate you. So consistency is key. It's huge. However, you gotta more than just show up every day. You gotta find different ways to reach people. Find different ways to put yourself out there. Find different ways to be seen, and allow people to really get to know you, to really get to know what you're about, what it is that you're offering, how you do things, to get to know you as a person, which isn't always easy on social media, especially if you're kind of afraid or uncomfortable getting on live video. It's hard to hear voice inflection. It's hard to see, your face move and smile and do all those things that we're able to do through a live video. So finding those, and then being able to be consistent so people know what to look for, know how and when to find you. Hey, Brian, appreciate you stopping by. And those sort of things. So it's more than just consistency is key, and I know I've said that, but for those of you that are hopping on late, I want to kind of reiterate that you've got to mix up the consistency. Again, showing up every day is a big part of it, but it can't be showing up every day doing the exact same things every day and expecting different outcomes. It's that definition of insanity, which I don't need to repeat all the adages, but you have to do. You have to be consistent in finding different ways to show people who you are, how you do things, and the value that you can bring them, and the value that you can provide on a consistent basis. That's the consistency. That's the key. That's what's going to take you to that next level. Can you be successful not doing those things, maybe all the different things that I mentioned? No. Do you have to do live videos to be successful? No, of course not. But the more ways, and absolutely, Brian, I agree, genuine and honest is huge. If you can, those are the kinds of things that, again, through the live videos, through your posts, through pictures, the more ways that you can get to people to see what you do and how you do it, that's the more ways that you can make an impact. You can provide value. They'll want to know what you're doing, how you're doing it. People are going to be more interested in working with you. And it's just, it's that value. It's the value that people look for, not the product, not the company, not the business or any of those things. It's the value that you can provide that comes from you, not something you're copying and pasting from somebody else's page, not on a consistent basis. Some of those things can be part of what you do. I don't necessarily recommend copy and paste people's posts, but obviously it happens. But being consistent in the different ways that you reach to your audience, that you reach the people that you're trying to work with, that you reach. Hey, Mary, thanks for stopping by. Sorry, if nothing changes, nothing changes. That's absolutely right, Chantel. Couldn't agree more. So, just some things that I've been talking about and wanting to share and been on my mind. And today's a day that I, for whatever reason, haven't been in the best frame of mind, if you will. I don't know, it's because I had told myself I was going live. I need to be more consistent with my lives. But I wasn't excited to do this. But now that I'm doing it, I'm really glad that I am. So, I'm pulling myself out of whatever I was dealing with, and here I am live. And I think that, I know that it's good for my mental state. I know it's good for my page. I know it's good for the people that follow me and look to me for different things. And, if I can motivate one person to do something similar, or to do something that they had planned to do and maybe didn't feel like doing, then that's a bonus. That's huge. Hopefully you've been able to get some value from this. I see that I have had some people jump on. I appreciate all of you for tuning in. That these are things that, they come up, and it's not easy. It's not, because it is, you hear so often consistency is key, and I don't know that everyone fully understands or is willing to look into how much that really means or what it really takes to be consistent. And it's more than just showing up every day. Is that a big step? Absolutely. You got to be willing to show up, every day for more than a time or two, and be there consistently so that people can count on you. And again, as I mentioned, know what it is that you're offering, and know the different levels of things that you share, and who you are as a person. That's when you get people that really want to surround themselves with you, or surround you, I should say, and look to work with you and be part of, even if you don't work together, even if you just mastermind together and share ideas. People are more willing to do that when they can see you and really get to know you, if you will. So, and as I mentioned, it's not always easy through Messenger. It's not always easy just through posts and commenting on posts. You don't. So this is yet another way to be able to reach your audience, if you will. So I'm going to cut this short. Hopefully everyone's having a fantastic Saturday, and hopefully the rest of your day continues, or if it wasn't, like mine wasn't necessarily going how I wanted, hopefully it'll get better for you. So appreciate all who stopped by. Those that catch it on the replay, let me know you were here, and hopefully got some value from this. So that's all I got for now. I'm Jason Brown. I'm out. Peace.